Hi friends, good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel Surabhi Multi Creations. Today I am making chicken with brinjal curry. Please watch this. Don't skip. First of all, take cleaned chicken pieces. Next, adding salt. Add 1 spoon turmeric powder. Add 1 spoon Everest masala powder. Mix it well by hand. Next, add 1 cup curd. Mix it well. After mix, rest for 20 minutes. Cover the lid. After 20 minutes, turn on the stove. Add 3 spoons oil. Oil is the heated. Add chopped onion. Fry it well. Mix it well. Next, add tej patta. Fry it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, add marinade chicken pieces. Mix it well. Fry it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, mix it well. Next, add tomato pieces. Next, add onion garam masala paste. Mix it well. Boil it well, medium flame. Cover the lid. After boil, add 2 spoons red chilli powder. Mix it well. Fry it for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, mix it well. Add 1 glass water. Boil it for 5 minutes. Add little bit of salt. Cover the lid. After 5 minutes, add brinjal pieces. Mix it. Cover the lid. Let it boil a little. Cover the lid. Well cooked. Add green chilli. Add curry leaves. I don't have coriander leaves. Finally, add 1 spoon garam masala powder. Mix it well. Yummy tasty garma garm chicken brinjal curry ready to be served. I hope like this video. Please support our channel, like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.